Medical news from MedRxiv. Lifespan brain structural variation reveals shared organization across mental health conditions. Elucidating the neurobiological basis of neurodevelopmental and psychiatric conditions, NDPCs, remains challenging because brain alterations vary within diagnoses and overlap across them. Whether diverse alterations follow a systematic organization that may reflect shared vulnerabilities remains unknown. Here, we assembled 10,135 individuals with schizophrenia, autism, bipolar, obsessive-compulsive, generalized anxiety, and major depressive disorders, and 11,998 reference participants across 6 continents through the ENIGMA consortium. Using normative modeling, we quantified individual deviations in cortical thickness, surface area, and subcortical volumes relative to lifespan reference trajectories, 5 to 80 years. We show that structural deviations converged along cortical axis reflecti. Thank you for watching. For the full article visit MedMind AI at medmind.pro. Like and subscribe for more evidence-based medical content.